Happy Monday, everybody. So today I am Alice, and
And I'm Carol Clark.
so we're coming to you together because normally you guys see me like early in the morning, I'm in the kitchen, but today Carol and I are going to come to you together because, we led our first retreat in July. And it was so fulfilling to both of us because we know that women after 50, you're seeking just the new friendships. And, in our 50s, women, we lose our identity after our kids have grown, they're gone, and then we've sort of lost the feeling of where do we fit after the motherhood club, right? You're at all the kids' activities, and then it's like, okay, now what do we do? And then where are our friendships? It's so like that group of friends has left. And then we feel like our premenopause or our menopause emotions have just flooded us. And we're like, some days we feel like we have two heads or like we really want to kill somebody that day, right?
Right.
So we want to come in and invite you over to our Fulfilled After 50 5-0 group where we are going to fill your cup up every day because I feel like we are the last ones on the list to making ourselves feel better or that we just don't really put ourselves on the first burner instead of the back burner to know what to make us just have the energy to give to others.
Right. And one of the things we found through the retreat was that there's so many women who have a need for friendship, for camaraderie, and to be with women who really build them up versus tear them down. And just really to be around people where they can actually work on the fact that they don't have to live just as this is my lot in life, this is the way it is. I may not have the best friendships, relationships, I may not be eating the right way, and they may be really a little bit stuck. So our passion is really to help them move through that so that after 50, it can be some of the best years of your life. So we want to fill people up from a spiritual perspective, a body perspective in terms of their eating, their nutrition, and their fitness, as well as just that mind, body, and spirit. So our passion is to help women really move beyond that so that they can live the best life in some really totally enjoyable years with like women who support them and can help guide them through those many emotional roller coasters after 50. We have some earlier, but boy, they can get kind of intense. So we want to help guide people. And we just found that through the retreats, it's really a passion for both of us. So we so look forward to working with many more women, extending our reach, and we really want you to go over to the page. It's Fulfilled After 50, and that 50 is, the 50 is a 50. So go there and request to be a part of the group. We would love to have you.
Yes.
And look forward to it.
Yeah, we look forward to it because what we found is when we have that connection on that intense 3 days with you guys, that, after you leave there, you wonder, now what? We still have to go back to reality. We are really filled up and just fulfilled over the weekend. So Carol and I really thought long and hard, and it's taken us a few months to figure out how to best serve our community. And that's why we have created this group, just to continue, because we still have to go back to our reality. We still have to go back to our daily struggles. But how can we help you have the best life you can live? Because after 50, honestly, guys, you're just beginning. Our lives are just beginning. It's time to have fun back into your life. Because when you inject the fun and the laughter, a lot of your ailments you will find will subside.
Right. So please join us. We're so excited to get to know you. We're so excited to support you. We're so excited to provide some really fun and invigorating education and really just kind of guide you on that journey so that you can feel your best.
Yep.
So
Have a happy Monday, guys. We'll see you